Ginger, the pungent herb, forms an intrinsic part of Indian cuisine. Not just for the taste, ginger is widely used for its various medicinal benefits. One of the most common and scientifically proven health benefits of ginger is that it can treat sore throat. Ginger helps in soothing a sore throat in two ways, one by relieving the pain and the second by fighting the infections. Here is exactly how ginger helps in relieving sore throat and the easy ways you can consume it. Medicinal properties. Ginger contains bioactive compounds like shogals and gingerols, which have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that can help manage sore throats and fight infections. A study showed that a 10% ginger extract solution inhibits the growth of harmful oral microorganisms. Additionally, ginger has antioxidant properties, with fresh ginger offering more benefits than dried ginger. However, more research is needed to understand its effects on viruses and bacteria causing sore throats. Anti-inflammatory effects. Sore throat pain is caused by inflammation and itchiness from the body's immune response to infection. Ginger blocks pro-inflammatory proteins, reducing this pain. Studies show ginger helps with tonsillitis and pharyngitis. In one study, 7 out of 10 participants with chronic tonsillitis experienced symptom relief after consuming ginger. Boosts immune system. The compounds in ginger help in boosting immunity and thus decrease the recovery time. Sore throat is caused by viruses, and while medications for cold might not kill the virus, ginger might just do the trick. A laboratory study has shown that ginger can stimulate the immune system to kill viruses. This makes ginger a quick pain reliever. However, a study on humans is needed to confirm these results. Ways to consume ginger to soothe a sore throat. Raw ginger. Raw ginger is easily available at the vegetable vendors and grocery shops. You can use it by removing the exterior, bark-like surface. Then slice off a 1-inch piece and chew on it. You can swallow the root when it turns to a pulp after chewing. Ginger lozenge. You can get ginger lozenge from a pharmacy or even a local grocery shop. Read the instructions carefully before consuming. Make sure the product you are buying has real ginger. Ginger tea. Sipping on hot ginger tea is a popular and an effective way to soothe a sore throat. The warm tea is soothing for an inflamed throat. You can make ginger tea at home by boiling 2 teaspoons of dry ginger in 1 cup of water or by grating a 2-inch raw root in 1 cup of water. Let the tea steep for 5 minutes, then strain and consume it. You can drink this 2 to 3 times a day. You can also add a teaspoon of honey to enhance the taste and medicinal properties of the tea. Who should not consume ginger? Ginger root is safe for most people, but it can cause allergy in some. Also, remember, ginger is not a replacement for doctor-prescribed medicine. You can have it along with the medicine. If you are pregnant, too much ginger consumption can cause gastric discomfort.